Suppose you've been injured due to a torn ligament or pulled tendon. In that case, you know how heartbreaking it is not to be able to jump back into your daily activities quickly, especially if you're someone who is always on the move or loves participating in sports. Mobility is a crucial component of any lifestyle, and tendons and ligaments are crucial for movement. To keep these components strong and healthy, it's important to understand the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients required to maintain your ligaments and tendons. Did you know that you may have joint damage if you're experiencing pain in your knees, hips, elbows, shoulders, or wrists? The connective tissue in your body, including ligaments, cartilage, and tendons, allows the joints in your body to move and bend smoothly. These connective tissues can sometimes get damaged, resulting in stiffness and constant aching. Today, we'll go over some incredible vitamins and supplements that will not only help you maintain your ligaments and tendons, but also help you recover faster from sports injuries or unexpected accidents that may damage the joints in your body. But first, let's understand what ligaments and tendons are. A ligament is a strong, fibrous band of connective tissue that helps connect and hold bones, joints, and organs in place. Ligaments allow for movement and flexibility. Consider how your knee or elbow can move up and down like a hinge. Tendons are the fibrous bands that connect your muscles to your bones. They enable us to move our limbs and also aid in preventing muscle injuries by absorbing some of the impact your muscles experience when you run, jump, or perform other movements. Why do you need vitamins and supplements for healthy ligaments and tendons? Your diet impacts the health of your tendons and ligaments, and getting enough of several key nutrients helps keep these tissues healthy and functional. A well-balanced diet provides enough vitamins and minerals to keep your ligaments and tendons healthy. However, eating nutritious food is not always possible in today's fast-paced world. You can take a few supplements to make up for any deficiencies. Here are 10 vitamin and mineral supplements linked to ligament and tendon health and healing. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that helps build collagen in our bodies. Collagen serves as the structural support for your joints, binding them together and providing them with a sturdy framework. It helps build and repair connective tissue, such as ligaments and tendons. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that reduces the effects of aging and oxidative damage by reducing inflammation. When you do not have enough vitamin C in your body, your joints become weak and deteriorate. Citrus fruits are the most common and rich source of vitamin C. You can check out the Glucosamine, Chondroitin, Turmeric, and MSM supplement if you want to support your joints during intense exercise or just want to relieve occasional joint pain. It can help you stay active and fit with a healthy lifestyle. This supplement is made to help ease joint pain that can come from getting older, gaining weight, or doing sports that hurt your joints. It helps to keep joints healthy and comfortable, keeps cartilage and joints flexible, and makes it easier to move joints. This wonder product is made from ingredients from around the world in a GMP-certified facility in the United States. Glucosamine, Chondroitin, Turmeric, MSM is made without genetically modified organisms, GMOs, shellfish, dairy, gluten, nuts, soy, and pork. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is vital for human health. Also known as retinol or retinoic acid, it is needed for healthy night vision, skin, and bones. It also serves a crucial role in collagen renewal, regulating cell growth and development, and promoting a healthy immune system. This vitamin stimulates collagen synthesis, allowing tendons and ligaments to remain strong. Meat, particularly liver, dairy products, especially whole-fat products, eggs, and fortified foods such as cereals, low-fat dairy products, and margarine are the primary dietary sources of vitamin A. Zinc. Zinc is one of the most abundant trace minerals in the body and is present in every tissue. Therefore, your body needs it most to heal and repair. It primarily aids in the healing of torn ligaments by promoting the metabolism of proteins required by your body to rebuild the injured area. Oysters, seeds, chicken, lentils, kidney beans, fortified cereals, whole grain breads, nuts, beef, low-fat yogurt, and eggs are all high in zinc. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for both bone formation and bone health. It's a fat-soluble vitamin and is popularly known as the sunshine vitamin due to its ability to produce when exposed to sunlight. It also controls calcium and phosphorus levels. Getting enough vitamin D is crucial. especially if you're physically active or have a history of injuries. Vitamin D improves tendon-to-bone repair by strengthening skeletal muscles and increasing bone mineral density. Fortified cereals, milk and butter, mushrooms, cheese, fish, eggs, and soy milk are all high in vitamin D. Copper. In humans, copper develops firm skin, bones, and other connective tissues such as cartilage and ligaments. The enzymes in copper are essential as they form strong bonds known as crosslinks within collagen and elastin, supporting and strengthening connective tissues. Copper is used to treat osteoporosis because of its role in developing strong tissue. Get your copper intake through oysters and other shellfish, whole grains, beans, nuts, potatoes, and organ meats like kidneys, liver, and dark leafy greens. Curcumin. Turmeric is a spice known for its medicinal properties and is the primary source of the polyphenol curcumin. Due to its ability to inhibit COX-2, an enzyme that causes inflammation, while maintaining normal levels of COX-1, another enzyme that speeds up the production of certain chemical messengers, curcumin is a beneficial alternative to painkillers. Curcumin not only relieves inflammation but rebuilds worn cartilage. Its potent antioxidant properties repair the oxidative damage caused by inflammation, helping form new blood vessels, which is useful following tendon injuries. Also, curcumin is useful as a supplement for tendon repair. Find curcumin in turmeric powder used in curries or external supplement capsules. Protein. Protein is the main component of tendons and ligaments. It serves as the foundation for all new collagen and elastin needed for ligaments and tendons to stay strong. Protein can help heal injuries faster and more effectively. A study suggests that whey protein can increase the overall area and development of tendons. Protein-rich foods include lean poultry, meat, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and high-protein dairy products such as Greek yogurt. Collagen. Invertebrates have a structural molecule called collagen. It manifests itself differently in each tissue, from tendons to corneas, and is composed of tiny little strands of molecules that join together to form larger strands that hold our cells in place. Specific triggers can cause cells to produce a particular type of collagen to change the quality and type of collagen they make. This is visible during bone, tendon, and ligament healing when cells that previously produced collagen from normal intact tissue synthesize different types of collagen at the repair site of injured tissue. For example, type 3 collagen, which is not a significant component in normal tendons, is thought to be beneficial during the healing process due to its ability to form rapid crosslinks and stabilize the injured tissue. Leafy greens, bone broth, beans, tomatoes, chicken, garlic, seafood, berries, citrus fruits, bell peppers, egg whites, and cashews are all beneficial to collagen production in the body. Bromelain. Bromelain is a nutritional supplement that is an alternative to non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs in the treatment of osteoarthritis. Bromelain is an extract derived from both the stem and fruit of the pineapple plant and contains a number of enzymes that break down protein and has shown possible anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Although more research is underway, bromelain continues to treat acute inflammation and muscle injuries. A study indicates bromelain at a dose of 7 milligrams per kilogram taken once daily with an acute tendon injury promotes healing. Glucosamine and Chondroitin. Glucosamine is a chemical substance found naturally in the fluids surrounding your joints. The body uses it to produce other chemicals that help build cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and the surrounding fluid joints, providing cushioning to these regions. Chondroitin is also a component of cartilage. It can prevent cartilage breakdown and stimulate its repair mechanisms. A study indicates that glucosamine may be beneficial in reducing joint pain, and chondroitin is frequently combined with glucosamine to treat osteoarthritis. Though your body produces glucosamine naturally, you can boost its levels with supplements. While pursuing your health and fitness objectives, it is essential to replenish vitamins and supplements to maintain your ligaments and tendons. Let's keep the conversation going with a few more cartilage and ligament videos, shall we? Here's 5 ways to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments, or 7 signs of weak cartilage that should never be ignored. Go ahead, Click one, or even better, watch both videos to understand more about cartilage and ligaments. Have you thought of adding any supplements to your diet? Let us know in the comments below.